Hey guys, I want to show you a project that I've been working on. This is a code snippet organizer that is using Mongo as the database, and it's written in primarily Node and Express. So let me kind of show you around the site, show you some of the features that it has. So the landing page is this login page. You can click this link to sign up if you don't have an account, or if you remember that you did, go back and log in. Let me show you some of the error messages that we get if you provide the wrong credentials. So first of all, if you don't do anything, you get that error message. If you type in something that doesn't make any sense, either the username or password was invalid. Let's say I'm going to sign up with a username that already exists. You get an error message telling you that that username is already in use. So let me go ahead and log in with the username that I've already created. Alright, so as soon as you log in, you're taken to your profile page, which has a list of snippets that you have made. You can see that a lot of the snippets that are in here are just filler example stuff, just for testing. Some of it is real. You see that these couple of bits of code actually are some real code. In fact, a lot of this is the code that is used in this project. So this is stored on a database. As I said, it was Mongo database. We've got a schema for users and a schema for the code snippets. So if you notice on this profile page, these are sorted by date, with the newest code snippets at the top, the oldest ones at the bottom. It's the same for this Explore button up here. If I click on that, you'll see that also these code snippets are sorted with the oldest at the bottom. If I go to search, everything that has code in the title, everything that comes back, as long as it contains code, it could be part of a longer word, that's fine, it will still show up. These search results are sorted by title, not by date. You can also search by language. Everything that's HTML is the language. When you search, that's everything that has HTML as the language. Or I can also search by tag, EJS. That's the only one that has EJS as the tag. These tags are also clickable. I can click on a tag, and that's going to give me everything that has that tag. Let me do one a little bit more common. You can see I made these kind of random tags in this experimental testing stage. So if I click on this, it's going to give you everything that has the tag blah in it. The usernames are also clickable. So if I click on Casey, it's going to show me everything that Casey made. Also notice on the Explore feature that everything that I made has this edit button next to it. If I did not make it, it does not have the edit button. So if I go to click on the edit button, I'll go here. I'm going to change some of this. And let's change the language that it's in. Let's say that this is written in Python. Update snippet. And there you go. There's the updated version. So you can see that there. Additionally, you can also delete the snippet. So go here, and now it's gone. Can't be found anymore. Alright, so let me show you, back at this Explore option, we've got the faves section. So if I want to add these to my favorite, routes for days and some code, then I click on faves, and there they are, routes for days and some code. If I go back, let me uncheck routes for days, click on faves, you can see that routes for days is now gone. So there's that feature as well. And then let me show you one more cool thing about this. If I want to go and just add something totally random, okay, we'll pick a language. You can make these tags And it says separate by semicolon. So each tag needs to be separated by a semicolon. But I wrote a function in here that's going to clear all the space. So you could really come in and mess this up as far as the space goes in between semicolons. And I should get 3 tags returned. And there it is, only 3 tags without space before or after the word. So that was a feature that I wrote with a function. And then the last feature that I want to show you in here is I also made an API with this. So if you go to API/codesnips as the end of the URL, then you're going to get the data returned in case you ever wanted to essentially access the database and then do whatever you want with it, and then you've got the info that you need here for all the snippets. So you've got the ID of the snippet, the title, the actual snippet itself, and then notes, language, who created it, and the date it was created. This one in particular, these first 3 actually don't have any tags. So that kind of gives you an idea of what's going on. Thanks for watching.